Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best diabetic dog treats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nudges Homestyle Chicken Pot Pie Dog Treats. Nudges uses a very simple recipe to make the ideal treat for dogs with diabetes. It starts with real chicken as its first ingredient, mixed with low-carbohydrate potatoes and peas to make a biscuit that your pup will love. Unlike many other biscuits, rather than relying on animal byproducts, Nudges uses real chicken that pet owners would recognize on their own plates. There are no artificial additives that might upset your dog's stomach, and there is no corn, wheat, or soy, which can be problematic for diabetics. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Ella's Diabetic Dog Treats. If you prefer a vegetarian dog treat for your pup, then check out these popular treats based on low-carbohydrate oatmeal and pumpkin puree. While it is not your traditional diabetes-friendly recipe, a lot of research has gone into making sure these treats won't mess with your diabetic dog's blood sugar levels. The treats are made from all-natural ingredients and are sugar and gluten-free too, so there should be nothing nasty to aggravate your pup's condition. They are also available in sweet potato and chicken varieties, so you can feed your pup healthy variations. At number 3, we have the Full Moon All-Natural Human-Grade Dog Treats. If you are willing to spend a bit more, you can get your pup diabetic-friendly treats that you wouldn't turn your nose up at eating yourself, since they are made entirely from human-grade ingredients. While the company makes a number of products, our top choice is their Chicken Jerky Bites, which are made from human-grade, antibiotic-free chicken. The jerky is made naturally using just chicken, vinegar, rosemary extract, and organic cane sugar. While this final ingredient might send up a red flag for some pet parents, this is a beneficial type of sugar that is unprocessed and low in glycerin. In fact, these treats are advertised as containing no glycerin. At number 2, we have the Pure Bites freeze-dried raw beef liver treats. Since treats for diabetic dogs need to be high in protein and low in carbohydrates, the best things you can feed them are meat-heavy options. And you don't get much more meat-heavy than these treats made from 100% beef liver. The small meat pieces are raw and freeze-dried, ensuring that no nutrients are lost as part of the cooking process. The resulting treats are delicious, and while they are low in fiber, they will still deliver positive results for diabetic dogs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Darford 0/G grain-free roasted dog treats. These treats are ideal for diabetic pups. They start with high-quality chicken as the first ingredient and the only source of protein for optimum digestion. There are no carbohydrate-heavy grains, and the recipe is high in fiber for slow energy release. Each treat is low in calories, so these are ideal for diabetic dogs that need to shed a few pounds. They are also enriched with vitamins A and C, antioxidants, calcium, iron, niacin, and other minerals, all of which have been shown to be beneficial to dogs with diabetes. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.